Welcome to our roundup of the best window cleaning robot options. Whether you're tired of climbing ladders, dealing with streaky windows, or simply want a smarter and safer way to keep your glass spotless, these top-rated window cleaning robots deliver efficiency, convenience, and modern automation. We will break down each model's key strengths, including suction power, cleaning modes, smart navigation, safety features, and overall ease of use. If you want sparkling windows without lifting a finger, these robotic cleaners are here to help. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let us dive in and find the perfect window cleaning robot for your home. The first on the list is the Puruekai PRK 309. The PRK 309 is built for homeowners who need a simple yet effective solution for keeping glass surfaces consistently clean. It attaches securely with a strong motor and maintains stable suction throughout its cleaning route, making it ideal for windows, doors, tiles, and even smooth shower glass. With an intelligent navigation algorithm, it scans and maps the area before starting, ensuring it does not miss corners or edges along the path. Its microfiber cleaning pads work efficiently to remove dust, light stains, and fingerprints. One of its standout qualities is ease of use. With one-button operation, anyone can get it running instantly, making it great for older adults or busy users. The built-in safety rope is another reassuring addition, especially for higher outdoor windows. It is also quiet enough to use without disturbing your household. Overall, the PRK 309 offers great value for those wanting a budget-friendly and dependable robot that handles everyday window cleaning with minimal effort. Next up is the Chovery Robot Cleaner. The Chovery is a more advanced model designed for homeowners seeking deeper cleaning, especially on large windows or glass with tougher residue. Its enhanced suction motor keeps it firmly attached, while its intelligent zigzag cleaning pattern ensures every surface is covered efficiently. The microfiber pads are durable and high absorption, lifting dirt, smudges, and grime effectively without leaving streaks behind. This robot adjusts its movements based on the surface to maintain maximum cleaning quality. Safety is another key highlight. A built-in backup battery activates if the power is disconnected, preventing the robot from falling. It also includes a safety tether for extra protection during outdoor cleaning. Overall, the Chovery is a powerful and secure solution for homeowners who need a reliable robot capable of handling both small and large windows. Next is the Coxinova Robot Cleaner. The Coxinova robot is all about versatility. This unit is designed not just for windows, but also for mirrors, glass doors, tiles, and smooth walls. It uses an advanced suction motor that keeps it firmly attached, while its intelligent navigation scans the cleaning area to determine the most efficient path. Its washable microfiber pads loosen dirt and remove stuck-on grime better than many models in its range. Smart sensors detect window edges, ensuring safe operation on frameless glass. It also includes a safety rope for protection during high-rise cleaning. The robot operates quietly, allowing you to clean early in the morning or at night without disturbing your space. The included remote control makes it easy to start, stop, change paths, or send it directly to a specific area needing extra attention. Overall, the Coxinova offers versatility and reliable performance, making it ideal for households that have various glass and tile surfaces. Next up is the Abir WD8. The WD8 steps up the game with strong suction force and a deeper cleaning capability that rivals professional tools. It uses an upgraded brushless motor that enhances its grip and cleaning speed. Its intelligent S-shaped cleaning route covers every inch while avoiding unnecessary repetition. This makes it especially efficient for large windows or full glass walls. The dual-sided cleaning pads help remove marks, stains, and dust far more effectively than single-pad designs. Safety is a major plus point with this model. The WD8 includes an uninterrupted power supply feature, keeping it attached for several minutes if the cord is unplugged. Its anti-fall sensors calculate the optimal path and prevent the robot from dropping, even on borderless glass. Overall, the WD8 is an excellent pick for users needing strong cleaning power and trustworthy safety mechanisms. The last one on our list is the Divadir Water Spray Robot. This model takes convenience to the next level with its built-in water spray cleaning system. Instead of manually spraying the window before use, the robot does it automatically, ensuring a more thorough cleaning experience. Its strong suction keeps it steadily attached, while the smart navigation technology calculates an efficient cleaning route for spotless results. The microfiber pads work with the automatic water spray to remove smudges, dirt, and oily marks effortlessly. Its edge detect sensors prevent falls, making it suitable for framed and frameless windows. Safety is reinforced with an emergency backup battery and a sturdy safety cord for high windows. The robot is also compatible with remote control operation, giving you full access to directional adjustments or cleaning modes. Overall, The Divadier is a premium option for those who want a next-level automated cleaning system with superior convenience. So, that wraps up our top window cleaning robots. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.